Good morning, welcome to CATEX TV. My name is Frank Fortunato. Today is Monday, September 21st, 2015. If you want to follow us on Twitter, please go to CATEX TV. In stunning news today, Zurich Insurance announced that they would abandon their planned acquisition of Royal Sun Alliance. According to industry sources, Zurich had been forced to walk away from the deal after it found that it would make a $200 million loss from its general insurance business in the third quarter, alongside a $275 million loss related to the explosions at the Chinese port of Tianjin. Zurich's new general insurance CEO, Christoph Terrin, is now completing an in-depth review of his division, with results being issued alongside the carrier's third quarter results. This is all due to come out on the 5th of November. This should be very interesting. Royal Sun Alliance share price dropped about 21% just 10 minutes after opening this morning. In a letter to employees, Stephen Hester said, this is the RSA CEO, "For us, it is business as usual. We did not look for the Zurich approach, and we remain confident we can prosper as a strong, independent company for many, many years to come." Very interesting news. Fosun International, the conglomerate founded by the Chinese billionaire Gu Gangchang, is apparently in advanced discussions to acquire Royal Sun Alliance's insurance group's Middle Eastern North African business. This is according to people familiar with the matter. The sale could fetch about $200 million. The acquisition would be Fosun's second deal in the Middle East in the past several months, following its $475 million acquisition of a controlling stake in the Israeli insurer Phoenix Holdings. RSA agreed last week to sell its Latin American operations to SureAmerica for about $629 million. This would put another $200 million in the kitty. In the Middle East, RSA operates in Saudi Arabia, the UAE, Bahrain, and Oman. The unit generated about £150 million in net written premiums in 2013, which is not necessarily too shabby. Volkswagen has been caught in a major lie. It's wiped off about $17 billion in market value in trading today on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. Revelations have now been proved accurate that Volkswagen rigged U.S. emissions cases for about 500,000 diesel cars. According to the United States EPA, and apparently admitted by Volkswagen, VW used a device programmed to detect when the cars were undergoing official emissions testing. The software device then turned off the emissions control during normal driving situations, allowing the cars to emit more than the legal limit of pollutants. The company is going to have to recall about 500,000 cars. It's going to cost millions of dollars, and that's even before the damage to its brand and fines. Speaking of fines, the EPA indicated that the scale could reach as high as $37,500 per vehicle, a total of more than $18 billion in fines. California fire officials are saying that a wildfire north of San Francisco destroyed another 162 homes, making the number of homes destroyed to 1,050 and making it the fourth most damaging wildfire in the state's history. The tally announced last night brought the total number of homes destroyed in two fires currently burning in Northern California to 1,600. The blazes are 2 of 10 active wildfires still ongoing in Northern California that continue to burn. There's been another explosion at a Czech Republic ammunitions factory. Today, an explosion of gunpowder rocked an ammunition plant in the Czech Republic, killing at least one person. There are a number of people still missing. This was at a cellular and Balot plant in the town of Vlasim, about 35 miles southeast of Prague. The explosion took place just before 1 p.m. today. Last evening at the 16,000-seat Globe Arena in Stockholm, the Irish band U2 was performing a concert that had to be stopped suddenly after a security breach prompted police to evacuate the entire building. Police said they stopped the event late last night due to a security problem as spectators entered the arena. They didn't specify the reason, but they've started an investigation regarding a possible weapons violation. U2 said that the show has been rescheduled for Tuesday. They apologized for the inconvenience and said the audience safety is the priority. That's the news for today. We'll continue to watch how the market digests the abandonment of Zurich's bid for RSA. This had been viewed as a sure thing last week in Monte Carlo. So the deck of cards has been jumbled yet again. That's the news for today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.